If you want to upgrade your X.com or Twitter account to premium, this video will walk you through the process step by step in the fastest and easiest way. Upgrading can unlock extra features, improve your account experience, and give you access to tools that regular accounts do not have. So if you've been wondering how to do it, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to X.com. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you are signed into the account you want to upgrade. This is important because the premium subscription will be connected directly to the account you are currently using. Now look at the left side navigation menu. You should see an option called Premium. Click on that, and X will take you to the premium subscription page. This is where you can compare the available plans and see what features are included with each one. On the premium page, take a moment to review the different options. Depending on your region and account, you may see one or more plans available. Each plan can include different benefits, so it's a good idea to check the details before moving forward. If your goal is just to upgrade for the basic premium features, choose the plan that fits your needs best. Once you've selected a plan, click to continue. X will then guide you to the payment step. Here, you'll need to enter your payment information and complete the purchase. Make sure all your billing details are correct before confirming, because once the payment goes through, your account will begin the upgrade process right away. After you finish the payment, your X.com account should be upgraded to premium. You may need to refresh the page or wait a moment for the changes to appear. If everything was successful, you should now see the premium status on your account and gain access to the features that come with your plan. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've upgraded your X.com or Twitter account to premium. If this tutorial helped you, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.